why would you recommend Walker Power to other homeowners?
I would definitely recommend you because you are on top of everything. If I have when I had a question, you always answer the question. You will look for results and you will like call the companies, do the work. Like if I needed anything, all I needed to do is email you, send you a text, or called you, and my answer was there. So I really recommend you guys to get your Power.
When you solo with Walker Power, you solo with family.
And check out our monthly specials. WalkerPower.energy/product/special-offer.
Plus, get 30-day money-back guarantee when financed. For more information, 908-377-1391 or Paul Walker at walkerpower.energy.
Para más información en español, contacta jasminewalker@walkerpower.com.